Y'all, it's Miki Smith. Welcome to my channel. Let me tell you what the content here is all about. I provide lifestyle content, anything from fashion to cooking to travel, whatever really comes to mind. I'm a very practical person, so the thread you'll see throughout all of my content is really simplicity, no fuss, and great taste, because that's what I'm about at the core. The other thing you'll see is that I really preach a lot about authenticity and just being yourself and showing up as yourself. And what that comes from is 30 years as a corporate human resources professional. That's what I'm bringing to the table, and I want to share it with you, because as an over 50 content creator, there's a lot of wisdom that you garner along the way. So, I am so excited that you landed here, and I really hope that you'll subscribe and become part of the community. I'd really love to have you. So thank you.